Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And to this video I'll be showing you how to post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. Okay, so guys, before I proceed on this video, I'm sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, now head over to your Instagram, open it. So now tap on this your profile icon section. I'm sorry guys, tap on this at the bottom of your screen at the right hand side. Tap on it and tap on this three line icon. So now tap on settings and privacy. So now scroll down and select sharing and remixes. So now scroll down and tap on where you share your story and post aside of Instagram. Okay, tap on see apps. Okay, now you see Facebook. Now tap on Facebook. So now let's wait. Okay, so now you need to connect your Facebook to your Instagram. Okay, so now continue, tap on continue. Okay, connect it. So as you can see now, I've connected my Facebook to my Instagram. Okay, now tap on continue. So as you can see, I've connected this. Okay, tap on continue. So just select, let me just select something random date of birth. So select, choose where you choose to share to. Okay, so now choose where you choose to share your Instagram post to on Facebook. Okay, you can select any of these pages. Okay, or you want to be sharing to your personal account. So let me say I want to share into my personal account. Tap on continue. You can also select a page or whatever you want to share from your Instagram to your Facebook. Okay, so right now finishing adding your account. Okay, now if have you finished or you don't want to add it now, maybe later, just tap on yes, finish adding. So let's wait. So guys, as you can see, Facebook and Instagram. Okay, now you are sharing from your Instagram to your Facebook account. Okay, so guys, you can okay, so guys, right now let's head over to our posts. Let me make a post quickly and show you guys something. So let me make a post. So now let me just scroll down. Let me say I want to make this as a post. So tap on next. So tap on okay, next. So now just quickly input your caption, then fill in your tag or whatsoever which you want to fill in, then select this also post to Facebook. Tap on this icon. So once it's blue, okay, it says shares your Instagram post to Facebook automatically. Okay, so now just tap on share post. Okay, and your post now will be shared on Instagram and Facebook with the same caption, the same picture, everything at the same time. Okay, so guys, this is how you share posts from Facebook, from Instagram to Facebook. Okay, so guys, before I conclude, I'm sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations at the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.